Oh, it's really sunny. Let me start this somewhere else. What's up, guys? I'm extremely ecstatic for no particular reason, so you know we're back for another vlog. Today we're at Autoclub Speedway. I've been to this track for a couple times, so I'm here with my FRS. That one right over there. I left it running, even though we have a garage, I left it running out there. And the reason for that is because I'm waiting to switch it over to E85. Right now it's running 91 and I want to run E85. I don't have flex fuel, so I need to empty out the tank with 91 before I can switch over to E85. So that's why it's out right there. But I just want to show you guys the lineup before we get this video going, because it's pretty cool. So the signups for this track day have been pretty light, which means the track is going to be pretty empty, which is a perfect time to set some new PRs. So we have the drivers meeting in 10 minutes. Let's get this all going. So the car's all ready to put the 85 into. There are a couple things on the car that are different from the last time that we were here. One, last time I was here, I was not running E85, which means now I'm up like 5 or 10 horsepower, which in this light of a car does make a huge difference. Aside from that, I have new sway bars. I have all of the Aero on the car, which is the front splitter, canards, and diffuser. So all of that is completely new and it's going to make a huge difference on the straights. And then aside from that, we have sway bars and a cage, which could add a little bit of stability. So the car is going to have a decent amount of like a different feel from the last time I was at the track. But aside from that, it should be same old, same old. I've been here like 3 or 4 times. I'm trying to set a new PR today, like I was saying. 2 minute is pretty good for this car, especially naturally aspirated. So that's what I'm going for off the bat. update. We've done 2 sessions and I'm about to go out for my 3rd one. So far we've done pretty well, except there's been one specific corner, I think it's corner number 7 or 8, that I've been messing up on a lot, so I really want to work on that. Aside from that, just smooth everything out. Once again, the transmission in the FRS and BRZ, I cannot stress this enough, it's so bad. It's so bad. It locks me out of gears so often, and it's such a bad transmission, and I've already replaced it once. But other than that, the car's handling great. I love everything on the car. The new Aero feels amazing, especially in the really long straights. Everything on the car feels amazing. Now I'm gonna, Nicole, my girlfriend, she's not gonna ride with me these sessions, and I'm actually taking the passenger seat out. So she's out of the car, there's gonna be a little bit less weight, and I'm mastering this track now. So I'm running a 204 right now, but my goal for the day is to try to hit about a 2 minute, which is a big difference, but I'm really hoping I can get it. So yeah, let's get back out there. Session is done. I still haven't hit that 159 that I really wanted to hit. I'm at a 203 right now, a low 203. I'm trying to think of areas that I can improve on. I mean, overall, I really could just brake later. This entire day has just been a huge learning experience. I'm really trying to tie down my performance of the track, and that's, again, what this is. The only issue that I'm having with the car is that at about 120 to 130 miles an hour, something in the front of the car starts to shake. I don't know if it's the canards or the splitter, but something is causing it to shake a little bit. It's not a big issue now, but in the future, if I add power to the car, it is going to be an issue because I'm going to be going a lot faster than 120 or 130. Overall though, I really hope you guys are enjoying the track footage. I'll show you guys, I brought out the car to do a little mini photo shoot and it looks awesome. So during the last session, I didn't honestly feel like I was improving. I felt like, you know in econ, I'm sorry, I'm a nerd. You know in econ, the law of diminishing returns, where like after a while, you start to gain, and then go back down. That's what this session kind of felt like. It felt like after the last couple sessions, like I just like plateaued for the day and I just needed to call it. But somehow, I still managed to get a 2:01.132. Or the goal that I have for the day was like around a 2 minute, like that was my goal. And I was 1 second off of that. So today was a complete success. I'm really happy with how today went. I'm really happy with how the car felt, except for the fact that it was shaking at high RPMs, or at high speeds, like around 120 miles an hour. So I'm gonna contact Verus and the people who design all the front aero stuff and ask them if they have any advice, because they're super helpful. Aside from that though, super successful day. I'm really happy with how the car felt. One of the main things that I was doing at the end of the day was when I'd go to heel toe, I would accidentally hit the gas and the brake at the same time, which would cause the engine to pump more power, but the brakes would be squeezing, and I started running the brakes too hard. Towards the end of the last session, I'll show you guys the clip right now, I like started braking at the end of like the front straight, and then the brakes did not have enough power because I kept doing that, and I just plowed through where I was supposed to go and had to like join back onto the track. At that point, I knew I was like done for the day and I needed to call it, but still huge improvement. The last time I was here, I got a 206. So today to go from 206 to 201, that's amazing. Like that's just awesome. So I'm really happy with how today went. As far as like these vlogs go, I'm really trying to show more of the driving footage and not so much of me talking. I know I still talk a lot because I like talking, but I think that the main, like most exciting part of the day is seeing the driving footage. So that's what I'm trying to show you guys. So I really hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. I'll see you guys next time. So strong.